Hello guys, welcome to my another video. My name is Shahrukh, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a cover photo for your YouTube channel with creative idea and correct size. So let's do it. From Adobe Family, and this is the application for designing, and this is free. You can download it from Google or you can download from the link in the description. So first of all, you need to go to your YouTube channel. I'm going to YouTube channel, YouTube, just type youtube.com, and now here you can see my channel, and then choose your channel option, and here you have the option of customize channel. Just click on it, and now in this section, layout, branding and basic info, just click on branding. Now here you can see the banner image. This is the exact size for cover photo or banner image for our YouTube channel. So now just minimize your browser. After downloading and installing the Adobe XD on your computer or Windows or on Mac, just open it. Now you can see we have the width and height for design page. This is the size for our page. So let's go to the browser, and here you have to choose the weight 2048 and choose the height 1152. Just type it 2048 and you can see 1152, the height 1152. Just click on the custom size, and now you can see it created our design page. So now you can see my channel name is Olitic. For making a creative or a cool cover photo, you need some background belongs to your channel type. For example, my channel type is technology, and for that I am introducing a website that have a lot of free photos that you can download and use for your YouTube cover photo. This website name is unsplash.com. Just type unsplash.com, and here you can see we have a bunch of free photos. Those are all high quality. So my channel is technology and a type of technology, so I will search, for example, tech. You can use any of them. Just choose whatever you want, whatever suits for your YouTube channel. Let's search for some photo. Let's choose this one or this one. Let's choose this one. Just click on it to download it. You can see our image is downloaded. Now minimize the web browser, go to your downloads. I can see this is the image we have downloaded from the website. Just drag and drop on your Adobe XD, and you can see the image is so high quality and the size is too big. Let's make it smaller to fit the design page. Now you can see, let's make it fit on our page. For example, something like this. As you see, my channel name is Olitic. Now I want to add a text in the center because the cover photo will locate in the center of your page. Now here I don't have cover photo because of that it's not showing my cover photo. Let's design that one and upload it. Just we need the text from the left side, the T icon. Just click on it and click on your page. Just type something, Olitic, for example, Olitic. And now let's make it bigger. For changing the font, in the right side in the text section you have the font option that you can choose your custom font, and the size, the regular, bold, and the shape of text, and it's the size. So now let's make it bigger. It's 20. Let's make it 70. Let's make it 70. Yeah, it's quite small for this page. I think like 170. And if you can't see it for whole text in the text field, just make it like this. And also it's not too much big. Let's make it 250. It makes sense. So now choose the cursor option from the left side. Now go put your text in the center. It's more important, you have to put your text in the center of your page. You can see it's in the center from the left, from the right. And now just change the color of our text, make it white. Just change the font, some interesting font like this one is cool. Let's add some shadow, drop shadow or inner shadow. Let's add inner shadow. If it looks good, you can make the colors. Add drop shadow, just click it. You can make the drop shadow blue more, for example 32. Let's make it 50, and you can make it higher or lower. That's all they take. Now you can see we have our text and our text drop shadow. Now make it 70. You can see our text is in the center, and this is a simple design, and it looks cool. You can make it better by working more on your design. So now for now, just let's export it. Just go to your file and export all artboards, and now choose the save location, desktop. You can choose JPG or PNG. In my case, PNG is better. Let's take export size 1x 2x. If you choose the higher, the size of your image will go high, so I will choose one to make it medium or smaller size. Let's export the outputs. Now just minimize it, go to your browser, and now here click on customize channel on your YouTube channel. Now come to branding, and here it says upload your banner image. Just click on upload. You can see we have the image we designed and saved on desktop. It's 1.1 MB. Just click it and upload it. It says which location do you want to put your image. Now you can see view on desktop. It will show if the person opens the YouTube on desktop, it will show this side of the image, and if the person is on TV, it will show whole page. And view on all device like mobile phone, it will show like this, just this portion. So now it's okay, just make done. Our text is readable. Now just click publish, and it's publishing our banner image. Now it's done. Just click on view channel. Now you can see we have our cover photo here. If you want to make it higher, just go to the customize channel, banner branding, and you can change it. Choose this image. As you see, it's not going too high. Just crop it like this, and you can see the text is in the center. Just click it down and publish it. View channel. You can see our text is in here, a cool text for our YouTube channel. So you can work on your design, you can choose better image, you can use better fonts, you can use some icons, some 3D icons or something cool that you can make it very attractive and impressive for users that they come and see your YouTube channel. So if you want me to do more designs, more professional or more complicated designs, so just write in the comment. I'll try my best to bring best video for you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. See you next time.